Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to be talking about the best highlights that we have at Sephora, and I'm so excited to finally be able to film this video for you guys. And yeah, today I'm going to specifically be talking about the best highlights for medium skin tone, and by that I mean skin tone starting from like my skin color to say Tyra Banks, kind of like that medium range. And if you want me to film a video on best highlights for fair skin tone and or best highlights for deeper skin tones, I can definitely make that happen. Just make sure to comment down below and let me know your thoughts. But before we get started in this video, make sure to subscribe down below for new videos every single week. I also wanted to let you guys know that you can follow me on Instagram. My makeup account is at Cinthia Osuna _ and my personal account is actually at Goldilux. There are two separate accounts and you can follow me on either, and let's get to it. To start off, we're going to be talking about good old Champagne Pop, and this was a collaboration between Jaclyn Hill and BECCA Cosmetics. This highlight has quite a bit of gold tones to it, but what's awesome is that when you swatch it, it actually swatches beautifully on medium skin tone. It just has this really vibrant champagne-y tone to it, and this is what I like to consider a pop-in highlight. So there is subtle highlights and then there are pop-in highlights, and this would fall under the pop-in category. I mean, look at that glow. Yes, work. And I gotta say it, Champagne Pop is going to be one of my all-time favorite highlights for a long time because it's just that perfect highlight for medium skin tone. Next up, we got the Fenty Killawatt highlighter, and this is Mean Money HUSTLA Baby. So Mean Money is going to be a little bit more of a subtle highlight, while HUSTLA Baby is going to be the pop-in highlight, you can call it. It definitely packs a lot more pigment than Mean Money, and this is what it looks like when you swatch the two together. It's just beautiful. So I really love Mean Money because it's that subtle highlight that you can use for every day when you're on the go, like you want that subtle glow, like healthy from within type of glow. This will give it to you. I really love that Rihanna gave you two colors for the price of one. That is brilliant because depending on your mood, you can either go natural or you can shine to the stars. HUSTLA Baby is for my HUSTLA girls out there who work hard for their money and like to put on their best outfit when they go out to the club, because HUSTLA girls, we like to look good and we are extra AF and we like to be on point and be highlighted to the skies. HUSTLA Baby is for the girls that like to shine, and ooh, would you look at that glow. I love this highlight for medium skin color. Riri would say, shine bright like a diamond. And finally, this is what your highlight will look like if you layer the two together. It's this beautiful combination of luminosity, vibrancy, everything you'd want in a highlight. Killawatt will give it to you. Moving on, we're gonna talk about the Makeup Forever Pro Fusion highlight. Now this is my baby. If you have watched a couple of my videos, you know I love this highlight. This is like one of my absolute favorites, and the reason for that is because it has the perfect amount of vibrancy. It has the perfect gold hue to it. I don't know what it is about this highlight, but it's just the perfect highlight. Like, this is the highlight I would gravitate towards when I was doing full faces of makeup for prom, for weddings, like whatever it was, and I wanted my client to glow. I would reach out for this one because this is just the absolute most beautiful highlight because it complements warm tones perfectly. It is very gold when you look at it, but again, that really helps when you apply it on like a warm tone, skin toned person. And next on the list, we have an oldie but a goodie, and we are talking about the Laura Mercier Highlight 01. Now this is the lightest highlight in this list, but I wanted to include it because I really like the Laura Mercier highlights, especially this one. Like, I always gravitate back to it. It has a really great amount of like champagne, vanilla type of hue to it. Even though this is a lighter highlight, I still think it's really wearable. You could maybe even layer it on top of your regular highlight to just give you an extra pop. You want an extra glow? You got it. And last but not least, we have a good old Sephora collection highlight. Now this is Golden Hour, and right off the bat, it has a lot of gold in it. You look at it and you're like, wow, it's yellow. But when you swatch it, that's when the magic happens. It transforms into a champagne color, and it just gives you a beautiful light beam when it catches that light. And I love the intensity of this highlight. It's pretty much like an exact dupe for the BECCA Cosmetics Champagne Pop. You get that type of vibrancy from this highlight. And get this, this is the most inexpensive highlight that we have in the whole store. I believe it is $16, and yes, look at that glow. Look at it shine. And tell me, who does not love an affordable highlight? Because I sure do. All you have to do to make me happy is give me a beautiful golden highlight like this one. And that does it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video and found some value from it, please make sure to drop me a like. And also don't forget to subscribe for new videos every single week. And like always, I want to thank you so much for spending your time with me. I will see you on the next one.